Good morning, Tiffany. I am going to try to create and or find similar mental math problems for you. It's really just playing with numbers. That's really what I would like you to be able to do, is just to play with and be comfortable with numbers. So part of chapter 5, when we're doing these divisibility tests, is another way for you to get familiar with numbers so they're not so scary. And I'm betting that you don't use a calculator for everything, so we just want to try to grow our brain and see if we can think about more things without a calculator. Okay? You asked about number 15. So, and you said, okay, so some of the odd positions. So this is the problem that we're looking at. And so if I were to take this and I were to look at the odd positions, okay, that's just where they're sitting. So this is in position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I look at the odd position numbers, and I don't know what this number is, but I know that I have something plus 2 plus 3. And then we're going to subtract the even position numbers, so that is 7 plus 6. Okay, and something has to happen here. One of two things. Either the answer to this subtraction problem needs to be a multiple of 11, or it needs to be 0. Okay, so for our problem, I've got this to be 13. So ideally, I think the easiest thing to do is like, well, what could this be? Could I make this 13? Well, this is 3, 4, 5. So if this number was 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, then I have 13 minus 13 equals 0. And so that tells us that the number 87263 is divisible by 11. So I write that as 11 divides this. Okay, let's try another one. Oops. Let's try, let's just make up a number. How about 5, 3, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and I say find the last number to make this divisible by 11. So I take the odd positions. I'll switch again. So the odd positions are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my odd positions are 5 plus 7 plus 9, and I want to subtract 3 plus 8 plus something, and probably I want to get 0. So this is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Ooh, shucks, I didn't do a good job. Okay, so 8, 9, 10, 11, the only way that's going to equal 0 is if this number is 10, right? And I can't put a 10 in there. So if I gave you a problem like this, which I wouldn't, unless I just totally made it up on the fly like I just did, you would say, this number can't be divisible by 11. It's not possible. Whoa, what am I doing? Okay, so let's try another one that we know is divisible by 11. For example, the number, how about 121? Okay, we know that's 11 squared. So, but if I look at the odd positions, I've got 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 1 minus the even position equals 0, so this is divisible by 11. Now your book goes through a really nice proof of that, and it's just like the proof for divisibility by 3 or 9. Okay, so hopefully that helps. If not, let me know, and we'll try something else. Okay, have a good day.